Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I made this eye look in just an eyeshadow tutorial today with the Tarte Make Magic Happen palette. It's kind of shiny, so shining in the bright lights. So I'll cover the mirror here. So there are these lovely shades. Several are matte, a few are shimmery, and a few have a little bit of shimmer. And I liked that they took up the entire space of this palette instead of being tiny little amounts of product. So if I turn my thing like this, I just want to zoom in a little bit so you can see the colors a little closely. The camera is trying to focus on my face, and I do need to get a new light. Here, I'll turn it this way so you can see it a little bit in some different light. Yeah, I need to get a new light. So I'm going to show you how I created this look today. I didn't use all of the colors, but I did use most of them. And so let's get started. I'm going to go in the next scene. I will have done my face and my brows, but left my eyes to show you how I did them. I've already applied my face makeup and some eyeliner from a Kohl pencil in black, and I've also done my brows. So now I'm ready to do my eyes, and I'm going to zoom in next. Since I have my magnifying mirror over on your left, my right, I'm going to make sure that I explain how I'm doing my left eye, and then I'll quickly do my right eye or either speed it up or do it off camera. So when I start with some eyeliner, I like to go over it with a tiny little brush like this size and some dark color. So even though it's a little bit sparkly, I'm going to use this one on the top, and then I'm actually going to go, oops, do my under eye with this taupey color. So I'm actually going to start with that taupe color right here. And I wish I could cover up that mirror. And I'm just going to line the under eye. Make sure you can see that. Actually, I'm going to pull this a little bit more centered. And I've seen other YouTubers use a really big brush here, but if I do that, I just make a mess. And I don't want to get it in my eye. All right, so I'm just doing a little bit with the taupey powder underneath. Now I'm going to go over the eyeliner with the dark color. Here comes the dog. Just to soften it up a bit. Next, I'm going to go in the transition area with this middle color, which is a matte shade and a light color. I love my light colors. Someday I'd like to put together my own palette with one of these companies. And I'm just going to go above the crease and a little bit out to the side, almost touching the edge of the brow here. And in these bright lights, it's a lot harder to see what I'm doing. And I'm going to bring it just down to the corner here of the mobile lid. And my point is that when my eyes are open, you can just see a little bit of it peeking out. Then I'm going to use a blending brush just to blend it out a little bit. Next, I'm going to use this pointed style brush from GRWM, and I'm going to go into the crease with this taupe color. And I'll bring it out just a little bit in the outer corner and down to the edge of the mobile lid. And blend. Next, under my brow, I'm going to use this, this creamy color. This is also a matte. Get a little bit of fallout with this. Just in there. And I get a little bit of blending action while I'm up there. And blend it out anyway. Now in this palette I have several choices for shimmery colors. I would have put this palette together with less shimmer, but you know, they didn't ask me. So there's one here that's a little more pinky gold. There's one here that's more gold. Those have shimmer, as does this one, which is a more copper color. And then the two with a little bit of, well, this one is gold. It's more of a brown gold that has shimmer. And then this burgundy color also has a tiny bit of shimmer, as does the dark. So I think what I'm going to do is this one on the lid, and I'll do this darker pink shade on the outer part of the mobile lid. So let's see how that looks. And I'm going to use really small brushes because I don't want to make a mess. So starting with this shade right here, pretty much all over the mobile lid. I'm just going to pat it on and take it into the inner corner a little bit. And then trying to see in these bright lights if it looks good. I need to get one more light in here. Do a little bit of blending. Doesn't need a whole lot. Now, because I don't like to overdo dark colors, I'm going to use a really small brush for this, an angled brush, and just get it into the outer corner of the mobile lid. I got this tiny little brush years ago, tiny little angled brush, and I don't want a lot of product. And I'm just going to go along the crease and just this little outer part, and then down to the mobile lid a little, just a little bit. And do the other side. Again, in my lights, it's hard to tell if I overdid it or underdid it. And now off camera, I'm going to check it in my regular makeup mirror because I can see a truer idea of how my colors look and if I have too much or too little. So I'll be right back. All right, I think I'm okay. I'm also going to brush away any kind of extra bits that might have gotten on my face. So this is how it looks with mascara, eyes open, eyes closed. And I'm going to put on some mascara and lip color, and I'll be right back. All right, so that's the finished look. This is with eyes open. This is with eyes closed. And again, it's the Make Magic Happen Tarte palette, and I'll link this below, and I'll also include the other makeup that I'm wearing today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos by clicking one of the images on the right side of your screen, or mouse over the upper right hand corner. A little eye appears, and when you click it, you'll see some other videos that you might be interested in watching. And thanks for watching. Bye.